So hello folks, in this video I'm going to tell you how to save your Canva design as a PDF. So first of all, go on Canva, open any desired design and click on here, share button. Click on this download, click on this PNG, this arrow button, right down here and here PDF print, best for print, PDF standard, best for documents and emailing. You wanna click on this. Now you can download this design as a PDF. Click on this download button. Now your PDF is downloaded. Click on this here. Now you can see your design is downloaded as a PDF. Thanks for watching.